My name is Chris, and welcome to the Camper Dan Files.
Right, guys, here's our 2000 QX4. I previously mentioned that this was a 99, but it's actually a 2000. But we're back today for this guy. Viewer had spotted this in one of my recent videos, and I wanted it for their R50, except theirs had a gray interior. I had another tan one that was a shade darker than this one, so they went with that one. So I'm gonna grab this one as a replenishment. On this QX4, I'm also gonna take the under seat rug or liner. Someone was under here poking around, so they already removed one of the tabs for me. Now I just gotta get this one out, and it's ours. Well, it's actually going to a viewer down in Texas. They asked for this specifically, so we're gonna go ahead and snag it for them. Yeah. So we barely got it to fit, guys. This is what it looks like in here. But off to UPS we go. So today's Monday, guys, and it is busy. I mean, busy here at the Junkyard today. I'm gonna go ahead and try and locate a shopping cart here to get my tools. I'm gonna go in and see what we can find. I believe there's 3 new R50s here and a couple of WD-21s that I like to check out. The R50s are gonna be a 2001 R50 Pathfinder, a 97 R50, I believe, and then there's a 99 QX4 in there too. So we'll see what we can scrounge up here for parts. These are all the wheels they got out today. So they still have this old R50 sitting over here on the side. I guess they're not gonna put it on the yard after all. This thing's been sitting out here for about 3 months now. I guess they're saving it as a work truck, I guess. So I'm kind of excited about today's Junkyard visit. That 2001 R50 Pathfinder, it looks like it's gonna have a leather interior. And if so, that'll be great, because I do have a colleague that's looking for a couple of seats. And if I can get those together for him, that'll be awesome. All right, guys, so we just arrived at the Nissan section. I'm gonna go ahead and dig in here and see what's up. So here's our 2001 R50 Pathfinder. Ooh, this one's been picked on real nice. But guess what? Ooh wee! These seats are perfect. So you know what's gonna happen? We're gonna go ahead and pull these for our colleague right now. We're not even gonna play around. They're dirty, but again, a nice little cleaning and we should be good to go. We've been waiting months for these. Oh, and there's a privacy cover. Wow. Good things really do come to those who wait. So this one has a little bit of damage here. It's kind of bent, but I'm not worried about that because this is gonna serve as a spare for me. Sorry guys, I'm not selling this one. Yeah guys, I am super stoked. Wow. We're gonna go around and look at the driver's seat. That actually still looks like it's in really good shape. So this one had the wood grain accents. The clock's already broken, but the center stack is still here. And it looks like it's still in good shape. Oh no, it's a little bit broken. So it looks like our 2001 R50 is originally in Colorado Springs. Still a lot of good useful parts here. I mean, sun visors, the overhead console, mirror. Now, I was gonna try and salvage the center console here, that bezel, but it's cracked. Like I said, I come across these all the time and they're often already broken. So was the clock, so I'm gonna move on. But from this guy, we went ahead and took the rear seat cushions. And we also have the trunk privacy cover and the passenger side front floor mat. You know, for a Colorado R50, this thing is relatively rust-free, guys. You have a relatively new set of KYBs here in the rear. Although the passenger side one looks like it's damaged. know if you guys can see that. I don't know what these are up front, but these look relatively good too. This control arm down here looks relatively new too. Wouldn't be a bad idea to snag on that. But I didn't bring tools to do that today, so I'll probably have to be saved for another day. This one's no good because it sustained an impact on this side, so that control arm, driver's side one, is a no-go. Yeah. CV axle still looks good though. It looks relatively new too. Yeah, this was a nice truck at one point. Headrests, those are in phenomenal condition. Yeah, I feel good about the stuff that I did get. And got the back seats to help out our colleague. And yeah. Again, guys, if you need parts, if you see these parts in these videos and you need them, speak up. I'll happily come and get them for you whenever I can before they're gone. This one had the net back here, but I don't need it. I already have one. The trunk liner must have been really clean because they pulled that. That's usually one of the first things to go off of these trucks. You know, I am in the market for some seals. I gotta come up with a solution to roll the window down. Because obviously the trucks don't have power, but maybe I can add power to that window and get things to roll down so I could get my prize. See, like these, the weather stripping, I might take this if I can get it off without ripping it. Because the ones on my back doors, they're in really bad shape. Yeah, these are really nice. I think I'm gonna take them. Decided to go ahead and help myself to the door seal. And the main reason, guys, is because these on the rear of this truck, I mean, they're super supple. Mine, they're so dry and brittle, they've already like moved away from the body of the truck. So might as well get these, and it's relatively cheap. And again, easy to pull. I mean, just watch me pull this with no tools. You know, these are also nice to have too. I might replace mine, but not today. I'm just trying to get the bare necessities. So I got those two seals. A short time ago too, I did replace the trunk seal, but this one's really nice too. I mean, absolutely no damage, no rips, no tears, no nothing. And this kick plate is nice. It does have a few scuffs, but not bad. Not bad at all. Well, two vehicles over. We have our 1997 R50. Oh, this thing's been gone through. It's has some wear and tear, guys. From this one, I was hoping to get the third brake light. It's sitting on top of the truck, so hopefully it's not broken. We'll go ahead and dissect this guy, make sure our lens is intact. It's not pretty, but believe you me, someone will be happy to have that versus not having anything for a third brake light. So we're gonna go ahead and inspect this guy closer. This is what's left of a 1993 WD-21. This one was really nice. It did have a leather interior. I'm assuming the front door cards were really good too, because those are gone. And yeah, this one was a four-wheel drive. This one did have the tire carrier. This one's an XE model. And I mean, look at these wheels, guys. The wheels are still here. Look really good. All four of them, actually. Yeah. See if it has a skid plate. Oh, it even has a skid plate, guys. Yeah. Yeah, you can get yourself a transfer case skid plate. This R50's been here for a little while too, I believe. Let me see. Yeah, this one's definitely been here. Oh, actually, no. This is a new one. So this is a 2000 Infiniti QX4. I'm going to go ahead and score that brake light. This one's been torn up a little. But I was just primarily after the brake light, so that's fine. Surprisingly, the headlamps are still here. All of the wheels are here. We're just missing the center caps. Headlamps not in too great a shape. I was just eyeing these fogs, thinking that these would actually be worth getting still. The turn signal lamps. In pretty good shape, but I don't know. I'm just here for a specific bit of parts. So these vehicles are one of 5 that came in recently. Again, there's approximately 3 new R50s on the yard and 2 WD-21s. I've already checked out the black one. I'm gonna go try and find the other WD-21 to see what useful parts it might have. But this Q4 still has a lot of good parts. I just helped myself to the 3rd brake light. Other miscellaneous parts in here. I mean, back seats, front seats. Although the front seats are chewed up, these sun visors look like they would be worth saving and cleaning up. Still have the overhead console. 1992 WD-21 red. This one was a 2-wheel drive, automatic. It's pretty picked through, so we're gonna skip past that one. So here's an old D21. It was a 94 variety. Oh, it was a 5-speed. Yeah, there's not too many new vehicles in here. We still have quite a few R50s that's been on the yard for a few weeks. There's this guy. So 2006 Infiniti QX56. Yeah, this one's been ran through. Looks like there was a sound system of some sort in here. They took the overhead console already. Headlamps on these are nice to have too, but this one has some pre-existing damage and some water intrusion going on there. Yeah, but still a lot of useful parts. Here's another D21. This one's automatic. This one was a 90. So yeah, there's still a lot of old inventory in here. I was just mainly interested in the new stuff that came in. Most of the old stuff's already been picked through. Like this 99 R50 here. Still has a lot of useful parts on it, but it's mostly picked through already. There's another R50. Here's the one that just came in. QX4. This Frontier, I believe it just came in too. This one's a 2001 auto, nothing that I need. Here's another QX4. This one's a 2001. That one's been here for a while also. Here's our 97 R50 Pathfinder. Here's what's left of an old WD-21. And then here's our 2001 R50 Pathfinder. But I think that's gonna do it for me for today. I'm gonna go ahead and get out of here before I spend any more money. But before I leave, I'm gonna go to the back here to take a peek and see what new inventory is waiting to come onto the yard. Yeah, so the last Junkyard video that I did with you guys, pretty much as soon as I posted the video, there were a few of you viewers and subscribers that reached out for parts. So I ended up going back to the yard to get some of those parts and get them shipped out right away so you guys wouldn't have to wait. And like I said, I'm here trying to locate parts for one of our R50 colleagues and fellow Empora member, and a couple of odds and ends for myself too. I wasn't able to see a lot, but from what I can tell, they do have a lot of new inventory back there for the Nissan SUVs and pickup trucks and vans and such. It's checkout time. Here's today's score all packed up. We're gonna go ahead and head home now. All right, guys, so here's what we scored today. We have the trunk privacy cover. Yeah, it's not 100% perfect. It does have some scratches on it. I figured maybe we could touch that up with some black paint of some sort. We scored the passenger side front floor mat. We have the weather stripping for both the back doors. Got two third brake lights, one from a 2000 Infiniti QX4 and another from a 1997 R50 Pathfinder. From the same 2001 that we scored our trunk privacy cover from, we have the rear seat sections, and I just went ahead and cleaned them up with some Armor All. This is what they look like. Yeah, we found some really cool stuff. We did spend about 80 bucks on everything, but it's money well spent for me. The two third brake lights that you guys see there, by the time I'm done selling those, I would have pretty much made my money back. And then of course the weather stripping and the rear privacy cover, that's for me. All good stuff.
Thanks again for stopping by the Camper Dan Files. My name is Chris. If you've enjoyed today's video, go ahead and give it a like. And while you're at it, don't forget to share, comment, and subscribe. If you're interested in any parts featured in this video, just go ahead and reach out to me via Empora. Until next time, keep using your Pathfinder as a Pathfinder, on or off the pavement.